Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a really quick clean with me. I have been super busy all weekend long with my daughter's dance competition, work. We had a competition, we had baseball, we had so many things going on, and this is the aftermath of all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and take today and get it all cleaned up. And I'm just going to do really super quick cleanups, wipe downs. I'm going to do the dishes. I'm going to vacuum. I'm not going to mop. I'm going to wipe down some areas, but I'm not going to do like a huge thorough dusting or anything like that. Honestly, I'm super tired and I'm ready to just be done for the day, but I've got to get the house cleaned up and back to a normal state so we can get back on track for the week. So if you need some motivation, this is the video for you to watch. And if you're tired like I am, let's just do this together and get it all done, because the only way to do it is to just push through. And I know that it has to be done so I can feel better while I'm at home, because it was literally just a mess every single where I went. So I needed to get it cleaned up. So if you are ready, I'm ready. Let's jump into it.
I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling.
I went ahead and started in my kitchen today because I wanted to get all the dishes in the dishwasher loaded, and I wanted to get the dishwasher started. So we had clean dishes. We didn't have that many dishes that were dirty because honestly we weren't home all that often. So it was just a lot of cups and then like bowls from cereal in the morning and things like that. It wasn't too many dishes. Plus we've been using a lot of the paper plates and the like the solo cups. They're just easier. We could just use them and throw them away. So I wanted to start in here to get all of that taken care of. And now I'm just going to wipe down all the countertops and everything like that. And I am going to wipe down my appliances because they are, they have fingerprints and stuff all over them. So I'm going to wipe all those down. And then I'm going to hand wash the remaining dishes. And I did want to say, I did get new pots and pans. I am really excited about them. I can't wait to use them. But they are still over on the floor in the box that they came in. I just haven't had time to get them out, wash them, and all this kind of stuff. But in the next video, that's what I'll probably do, is get rid of all my old pots and pans and wash my new pots and pans and put all of those away. But I did get new ones, and I can't wait to use them.
Feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it, and I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
so after I loaded the dishwasher and I pre-soaked all of the like little components to the smokeless grill that we have, I'm going to wipe everything down and then just start hand washing the pots that are left, and then I'm going to clean all the stuff from that smokeless grill. And I'm not gonna dry anything by hand. I'm just literally gonna let it sit on this rack and air dry, and then I'm gonna move on to the next thing. I didn't want to sit and do a whole lot of hand drying and putting away and all that kind of stuff. So like I said, I was really tired. I was ready to give up and just be done, but I kept pushing through because I needed to get it all done. And I just wanted to have a cleaner house. It was just too dirty, too much stuff everywhere. So I just wanted to get it taken care of. But I was literally pushing myself. Every single thing I did, I'm like, okay, we got that done. Now we can do the next thing. Now we can do the next thing, because I was exhausted.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Oh.
Okay, so now that I got all the dishes done, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down all of my appliances, and then I'm going to vacuum really quick, and I am going to be done in here. I'm not going to mop or anything like that. My floor is not that bad. Like I said, we weren't really home all that much this weekend, so other than all the messes that we made while we were getting ready for comp in the morning, or we were, eating and flying out the door because we had to get up super early. So we just kind of left those messes, or we were getting back really late. So then we ate and we went to bed, and we had to go and do it all over again. I don't know if, any of your daughters dance or anything like that, but it is a go, go, go kind of situation. And you're gone and walking around all day, and my daughter was exhausted because she danced all day. It almost feels like you have a hangover the next day, because you're literally going from super early in the morning to super late at night, and it's several days in a row. So the competition was Friday through Sunday, and we worked, she had to go on Friday and she had to be there on Sunday, but on Saturday we ended up working all day. So it was literally go, 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 and the messes were just piling up, but I didn't worry about it. I didn't feel like taking care of it all, which is why it looked like the way it did.
Whatever we would do, we do it.
Okay, so now we're moving into the living room, and this is another situation because we have dance stuff, makeup, book bags, baseball stuff. I was doing laundry in the mix. We have a lot going on in here. So I'm literally just going to pick everything up, put everything back where it goes, and do a quick vacuum in here. And I am going to wipe down the table because it had so much stuff on it. We were doing makeup and all that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to wipe everything down on the table, but I don't do any dusting. I don't mop in here or anything like that. I'm literally just picking all of this mess up, and I'm going to vacuum, and that's basically it. I am going to clean the hallway too. I'm going to vacuum all that as well, but I'm just not going to worry about doing any of the deep cleaning or anything like that. I have way too much all over the place to do all of that, but I promise in the next video it's going to be more detailed. I am going to take care of all that stuff, so if you like all that, don't worry, it's coming. It's not normally like this, but I just really needed to get the house picked up and, cleaned up and back to a somewhat normal state.
Just for fun. You only get so many trips around the sun. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess mystery loves company. Better to late than never. You know we could do better. So take a chance and run with me. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word. Everywhere we go, we'll turn to paradise. All I know is that I need you in my life. Let me show you how it feels to roll the dice. You know you want it, just say the word.
Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and move to the bathroom. I'm not going to do too much in here again, but I do have messes all over, so I'm just going to put everything back where it goes and get all of that stuff taken care of. And I'm going to do a really quick wipe down of everything. I'm going to clean the toilet, and then I'm going to vacuum, and then I'm done.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like.
Well, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that it still gave you some motivation, even though it was kind of a quick video and it wasn't too much in detail. I just needed to get those fast, messes cleaned up all throughout my house. So I hope it gave you some motivation to get up and get going. Or maybe you're in the same boat as I am and you're just super tired, but your house is a mess and you can't stand it anymore and you want to get it all cleaned up. I'm right there with you, so hopefully you watched this and you were able to push through like me. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified every single time I upload so you don't miss anything, and I will see you guys on Thursday in my next video.
About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down.